Hello everyone. The sound of gunshots echoing through the mountains of Florida State is an announcement that the wild monkey hunting season has arrived.
Nice shot.
These activities have attracted thousands of hunters to participate in order to protect their property and community, because Florida is facing nearly 1 million wild monkeys that cause damage of up to $120 million each year. So what methods have hunters here used to deal with this population? Let's explore with us to answer this question, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to update our latest information. In Florida, hunters often choose rifles to control the population of wild monkeys. These agile animals often live in forests, woodlands, hammocks, plateaus, and grasslands with scrub and pine forests. Rifles therefore provide hunters with good range and effective, humane shots. Hunters typically use high-powered, accurate, and reliable rifles such as DD-223, 200, 43, and D3 weight calibers. Along with that, quality scopes with good magnification and clear optics are essential for accurate aiming, especially in densely forested areas where visibility is and high-quality binoculars also help hunters spot monkeys from a distance, allowing them to plan their approach more effectively. Have you ever wondered what it takes to legally hunt wild monkeys in Florida? To hunt wild monkeys in Florida, all hunters must have a Wildlife Management Area WMA license administered by the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission. The license costs $47 annually for residents and $181.50 annually for non-residents, with a 10-day option available for $76.50. These licenses can be applied for through the official website of the FWC, where hunters can purchase, renew, and print their licenses. One advantage for hunters in Florida is that they can hunt wild monkeys year-round, as there are no specific seasonal restrictions. This continuous hunting opportunity creates favorable conditions for controlling the monkey population. So what time of day do you think is the most effective for hunting wild monkeys? Hunters often hunt in the early morning because wild monkeys are most active just after sunrise. This is the ideal time for feeding and moving, making it easier for hunters to detect and track them. When detecting prey, hunters must clearly identify their target to ensure it is indeed a wild monkey and not another animal or a non-target species. Ensuring there are no obstacles or dangers on the shooting path, and that the surrounding scene is clear is crucial for safety. So have you ever wondered what it takes to ensure a successful and humane hunt when targeting elusive game like monkeys? Next, hunters find a stable shooting position, which can be standing, kneeling, or lying prone, using natural supports like tree branches or a shooting stick. Using the rifle scope, hunters can clearly and accurately observe the monkey. Aiming at critical areas such as the chest or head ensures a quick and humane kill. The hunter gently squeezes the trigger to maintain accuracy, After shooting, the hunter needs to observe the target's reaction. If the monkey runs away, the hunter must follow the blood trail to find it. When the monkey is found, hunters should carefully approach the fallen animal to ensure it is no longer alive and avoid any potential danger. If necessary, a follow-up shot should be administered to ensure a humane end. However, hunting monkeys with rifles in Florida has sparked heated debates in the community. Hunters may face opposition from animal rights activists and other members of the community. Do you agree with this method? If yes, please like the video. If no, leave the number 0 in the comment section to share your opinion. To tackle the challenge of wild monkey overpopulation in Florida, a combination of cage traps and sterilization methods has been widely deployed. Initially, hunters use large cage traps designed for monkeys to enter comfortably without injury. These traps typically have sturdy metal frames with mesh sides and spring-loaded doors that close when a monkey enters, activating the mechanism. In addition, hunters use bait such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and other appealing foods to lure the monkeys into the traps. Bananas, apples, and other sweet-smelling fruits are particularly effective. The traps are often placed in areas frequented by monkeys, like near food sources or travel routes. Have you ever wondered how hunters manage to safely capture and relocate invasive monkey populations? Once the traps are set, hunters monitor them using tracking devices installed nearby to observe monkey activity and check if the traps have been triggered. When a trap captures around 715 monkeys, hunters use gloves to handle and move the monkeys to smaller cages to avoid bites and disease transmission. The captured monkeys are then transported to a veterinary facility. At the facility, a highly qualified veterinarian performs sterilization procedures, either cutting the vas deferens or tying the fallopian tubes. To ensure humane treatment, the monkeys are anesthetized throughout the surgery, and their vital signs, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels, are monitored. After the procedure, the monkeys are closely observed as they recover from anesthesia. Their vital signs and overall condition are checked regularly, and they are kept in recovery cages until fully conscious and stable. Following recovery, the monkeys are transported back to their original capture site or another designated release area. Released monkeys are often monitored to ensure they reintegrate into their group and continue to thrive. What are your thoughts on this approach? We'd love to hear your perspective, so please share your views in the comment section below. Hello everyone! The grassland mouse, scientifically known as Microtus ostragoster, is a species that has adapted remarkably well to its environment. leading to a population exceeding 1.5 billion individuals. These prairie voles are prevalent throughout the central United States, particularly in grasslands and savannas. However, their presence has posed significant challenges and damage to farmers in these regions. So what specific problems have they caused, and what methods have farmers employed to counter this invasion? Join us to find out right here, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to express your curiosity. In the realm of agriculture, wild rats alone are responsible for nearly $2 billion in damage each year. This staggering figure underscores the significant impact these pests have on farming operations across the globe. But rats aren't the only culprits. Prairie voles consume a wide variety of crops, including grains, legumes, and vegetables. Their feeding habits can severely damage seedlings, roots, and mature plants. Leading to drastically reduced crop yields. In certain regions, voles have been known to destroy up to 50% of crop yields, translating to millions of dollars in damage annually. How do you think farmers should address this issue to protect their crops and trees? To reduce damage and prevent the invasive behavior of prairie voles. Hunters here have shown their ultimate skills through skillful shots. Hunting prairie voles with a shotgun requires specific techniques and equipment due to their small size and behavior. Understanding the behavior of prairie voles is crucial for hunters. Voles are small, burrowing rodents that are usually active during the day. They create complex tunnel systems and are commonly found in grasslands, savannas, and agricultural fields. Have you ever observed the intricate tunnels created by prairie voles? Along with that, choosing the appropriate device is essential for successful hunting. A small caliber rifle, such as a .22 caliber, is suitable for hunting prairie voles because of its accuracy and minimal recoil. Shotguns with birdshot can also be effective for close-range shooting. High-velocity bullets ensure greater accuracy and clean target destruction. Additionally, a scope with good magnification can help detect and accurately shoot small targets such as voles. Have you tried different firearms or scopes for hunting small game before?
You're hitting right.
When detecting prey, hunters need to move slowly and cautiously to avoid alarming the voles. Sudden movements can scare them and cause them to return to their burrows.
Head sticking out. Sorry, dude.
Paying attention to the wind direction is crucial to ensure your scent doesn't drift towards the voles, which could cause them to detect your presence. Waiting in ambush near their activity area requires patience because eventually the voles will come out of their burrows.
Oh, not anymore, it doesn't.
Using bait such as grains or seeds can attract voles to a specific area, making it easier to spot and shoot them. What are your favorite baiting techniques for small game hunting? Additionally, executing the shot requires a firm aim. Ensuring your rifle is firmly aimed, perhaps using a bipod or mount, can increase accuracy when aiming at such a small target. Hunters must be prepared to shoot quickly because voles can move very fast and unpredictably. Using a hunting rifle, especially a small caliber rifle, allows for accurate shooting, which is important due to the small size of prairie voles. Guns provide the ability to hunt from a distance, reducing the risk of alarming voles. Do you agree with this method? If yes, please like the video. If no, leave the number 0 in the comment section to share your opinion. To overcome the challenges of gun hunting, many hunters have teamed up with dogs to ensure greater safety and effectiveness. Dogs, with their sharp sense of smell and agility, bring significant advantages to the hunt. Have you ever considered using a dog for hunting? If so, what breed do you think would be most suitable?
Oh, there's another one right here. Tail.
When choosing a dog for hunting and tracking, breeds such as terriers, greyhounds, or dachshunds are often recommended. These breeds are small, agile, and have strong hunting instincts.
Good girl. Good dog. Good job.
So what we're really seeing is the effectiveness of putting water.
It is crucial to ensure the dog has been fully trained for hunting. Alongside selecting the right breed, having the appropriate devices is essential.
Alex is going to hold it. You're only little dogs, you got a big disadvantage. A little bit of both and they're in trouble.
A sturdy leash and collar are necessary to control dogs, especially in areas with a lot of other wildlife or livestock. Protective gear such as boots can protect the dog's paws from rough terrain or potential injuries in burrows.
Yeah. Did you kill it?
No, not yet.
Oh, good job. Good job, Benji. Good job. Go there and get it. Old Gypsy's been doing a phenomenal job.
Starting the hunt involves releasing the dog in an area known to have voles. The hunter encourages the dog to search for voles, with the dog using its nose to track their scent.
Nice, that was walk. Two sharp tails.
Get on! Get on! Get on!
It is important to follow closely behind the dog, watching for signs that it has located a vole. What techniques do you think would help a dog best locate voles?
You think you have a nerve problem.
Yeah.
Don't just say that I think I have a back pain. I mean, don't say back pain.
When the dog finds a vole, it will alert the hunter through specific behaviors such as barking, digging, or other trained actions. The hunter then assists by carefully digging to help discover the vole. When handling voles, it is advisable to use gloves to avoid the risk of bites or disease transmission. If necessary, dispose of the voles quickly and humanely.
Yeah, see, she went in with her. Oh.
After the hunt, it is essential to reward the dog with treats and praise to encourage good hunting behavior in the future. Additionally, a health check should be conducted to check for injuries or signs of exhaustion, ensuring the dog is hydrated and rested as needed. Do you think rewarding the dog immediately after the hunt is more effective than waiting until later?
Another one in the air? Oh, don't try it.
I'm again, Will.
In particular, safety and legal considerations are also paramount. Always prioritize the dog's safety by avoiding potentially dangerous areas such as sharp rocks, deep caves, or areas with aggressive wild animals. Checking local hunting regulations regarding the use of dogs to hunt small rodents is crucial to ensure compliance with any licensing or seasonal restrictions. How do you ensure you stay updated with local hunting regulations?
So what we're really seeing is the effectiveness of putting water at the higher...
Good job, boss. Good job. Good jobs. He didn't know her. He's running to all his old hiding spots and they were gone. He's like, where the this is gone?
Balancing human development with environmental protection is a complex challenge that requires sustainable solutions. Traditional methods such as trapping, hunting, and fencing have proven inadequate against these adaptable and resilient animals. By developing comprehensive strategies, we can mitigate the adverse effects of invasive wild boar populations while promoting harmonious coexistence between human activities and wildlife conservation. In rich regions like Sonoma, known for its lush rows of grapes, wild boars have caused heavy damage not only to the quantity of grapes harvested but also to their quality. Their destruction extends beyond vineyards. From almond orchards to vegetable fields, California's vast citrus groves did not escape the devastation. As a result, the state's agriculture has suffered significant losses, with crops being mercilessly destroyed, leading to a substantial economic impact. Foraging feral hogs not only causes damage to golf courses, amusement parks, cemeteries, and other natural areas due to their rooting and digging, but they also cause other serious consequences. Their appearance on the streets has repeatedly become the main cause of traffic jams and even leads to accidents, directly threatening the safety of people in many places in the U.S. The challenges posed by feral pigs in the United States have sparked a spirit of resilience among hunters. This unique situation has not only provided them with opportunities to sharpen their skills, but also to contribute to the control of invasive species that are wreaking havoc in the States. Let's embark on this inspiring journey. Wild boars, with their impressive speed and agility, present a formidable challenge. In response, some farmers and hunters have innovatively, albeit controversially, chosen to hunt them by car. This approach not only underscores the determination of individuals to safeguard their livelihoods, but also instills hope that they can adapt effectively to this escalating threat. Vehicles often chosen to overcome rough terrain are often powerfully designed models, capable of excelling on challenging roads. Large, heavy-duty pickup trucks and 4x4s are trendy among them because they are equipped with optimal four-wheel drive systems providing the traction power and stability necessary to conquer rough surfaces. Bad road surface. The Ford F-150, Jeep Wrangler, and Chevrolet Tahoe are not just popular vehicles for their durability, but also for their proven reliability in all challenging conditions. These vehicles not only deliver robust performance, but also serve as the perfect platform for hunting or exploring, thanks to their elevated structure that enhances visibility and ensures safety against potential dangers from the environment. This reassures us that effective solutions are being implemented. Not stopping there, night hunts are continuously organized, showing their determination to protect their agriculture in an admirable way. These hunts usually start around 10 p.m. and last until 2 a.m. Hunters chase wild boars by car, and after each night, they can harvest a significant number of wild boars. Poor light conditions are the biggest challenge in nocturnal hunting. To overcome this barrier, hunters often equip their vehicles with high-intensity LED or halogen headlights, turning night into day. In addition, using optimal night vision goggles or scopes is also extremely important. They allow hunters to detect and track wild boars in dense darkness, a time when these prey are most active and cunning. Although equipped with modern technology to support hunting at night, these devices still cannot ensure absolute visibility for hunters. Along with the dangerous and unfamiliar terrain, it increases risks, endangering not only hunters, but also neighboring communities if hunting takes place near densely populated areas. In particular, not all places allow hunting at night, and regulations regarding this activity can be very strict even where it is allowed. These laws are often in place to ensure public safety and promote ethical hunting practices. Therefore, before planning a hunting trip, you need to make sure that you have a license and tag issued by the authority. Economical and environmentally friendly alternative is the exploitation of wild boar meat. Compared to regular pork, wild boar meat is often less fatty and is appreciated for its delicious taste. Primarily when the animals are raised healthily and the meat is handled carefully. In states like Tennessee and Arkansas, local hunters and small businesses have teamed up to turn wild boar meat into a variety of delicious dishes. Therefore, to hunt wild boars humanely and cleanly dispose of wild boar carcasses, hunters must clearly understand and comply with the regulations set by the government. This not only helps control the wild boar population effectively, but also ensures it does not negatively affect the ecological balance. What do you think about hunting wild boar by car? We look forward to receiving your feedback in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this entire video. Please continue to accompany us in upcoming videos.